Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make content related to beauty, lifestyle and vlogging. I have recently started making content related to new moms, like the things that we might need in our day-to-day life. So this video is regarding what's inside Kiara's diaper bag. So basically मैं क्या करती हूँ, I just pack this diaper bag and कहीं पे भी जाना होता है, I just take this one diaper bag everywhere, or I'll quickly show you what all I have in Kiara's diaper bag. मैंने यहाँ पे सब कुछ अरेंज कर लिया है कि मैंने कियारा के डायपर बैग में मैं क्या क्या रखती हूँ. दिस इज कियारा's डायपर बैग. आई रिसेंटली गॉट दिस वन. अदरवाइज एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ी सी फजी हूँ. आई रियली लाइक कैरिंग पर्स. Like I can't go out without the handbags, but I thought ki okay, just because now I have to carry one diaper bag, I can't carry the purse with me. So I really wanted a stylish diaper bag. I recently found this one from Ted Baker's and मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं था. Like I didn't wanted to get something जो कि बहुत high end cost करे. So Ted Baker's was something which was providing me with this one bag and I really liked it. So basically ये मुझे कुछ I think so $80-90 का पड़ा and I really like this. The color of it is beautiful and ये बहुत ज़्यादा versatile है क्योंकि इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा zips हैं, like बहुत ज़्यादा pockets हैं. So there's one pocket here, one here, one on the top, and then if you open this one, इसके अंदर बहुत बड़ा compartment है and there's one mini pocket here and there's two little compartments on the side. So let me quickly show you what I keep in this diaper bag. So starting with this warm blanket. तस्मानिया में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है and I keep one warm blanket for Kiara all the time. अगर उसको प्रैम में लेके जा रहे हैं then I cover this one blanket उसके ऊपर so that उसको ठंडी हवा ज़्यादा ना लगे. I keep this one blanket inside my diaper bag. Then I have one pair of extra clothes. I keep that one in क्योंकि you never know कब क्या हो जाए. Then I have one cap and some extra pair of socks. I keep a matching headband क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर हम कहीं पे भी अंदर जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे usually heaters चल रहे होते हैं, centralized heating होती है. So I just remove the cap and make her wear this headband. मुझे लड़कियों को ड्रेसअप करना बहुत पसंद है. आई एम सो ग्लैड कि मेरी लड़की हुई है और मैं उसको बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से ड्रेसअप कर सकती हूँ. सो बेसिकली हम कहीं पे भी जाते हैं मुझे कियारा बहुत ज़्यादा लड़कों जैसी लगती है बिकॉज शी इज़ अ डिटो कॉपी ऑफ हर फादर. तो मैं उसको हर जगह हेड बैंड पहना के लेके जाना प्रेफर करती हूँ. थोड़ी सी लड़की लगती है उसमें. सो आई कीप दैट वन इन. हैव अ बिब जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है आजकल के टाइम पे क्योंकि कियारा बहुत ज़्यादा स्पिल करने लग गई है एंड जस्ट टू मेक हर लुक नीट एंड क्लीन आई कीप दिस बिब. Then I have a burp cloth in case she is feeding outside. So अगर उसको burp दिलाना है we keep it here and then we use it. Then we have very important teether क्योंकि कियारा की teething शुरू हो चुकी है and she is very irritated all the time and this teether really helps her soothe from all of the things like whatever she is feeling in her mouth. तो ये teether जब भी वो use करती है तो she feels a little better. So I have this one teether here. I keep this teether in the front pocket and then we have very important diapers. Like how many diapers are too many diapers? You never know कब कहाँ पे कौन सी situation आ जाए. So I keep some extra diapers. So this one goes inside. Then I have these wipes. Usually मैं छोटी wipes कैरी करती थी पहले but मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि ये जो डायपर बैग है ये ऐसे ही पड़ा रहे. So मैंने बड़ी wipes रखनी शुरू कर दी ताकि मुझे बार बार निकालनी ना पड़े फिर से डालनी पड़े. So I use the big pack of the wipes. Then I have these nappy bags. ये बहुत handy आते हैं कि अगर मैं कहीं पे भी उसका डायपर चेंज कर throw the nappy inside these and I throw it in the bin. So I keep these ones in the side pocket. And this is very important. This is a diaper changing sheet, like which is a disposable diaper changing sheet. ये मैं एक ही बार यूज़ करती हूँ एंड आई डिस्पोज इट ऑफ. आई यूजुअली कीप 2 of them in my bag, so this is one of them, and I keep it in the side pocket again so that it's very handy for me to just grab those ones. Now I have very important, like you never know when you need medicine for her, so I keep a Panadol with me कि अगर कभी भी in case I need it, I have it in my bag. I keep it in my front pocket. Then I have this pseudo cream. ये मैं तब यूज़ करती हूँ जब कियारा को रैशेज हो जाते हैं and वो बेचारी बहुत परेशान हो रही होती है, and I don't like to see her like that, and this really helps to soothe her, so I use this one, pseudo cream. Then I have Little Eyes की gentle cleansing eye wipes. In case उसकी eyes में कुछ हो रहा हो या she is feeling irritated, I use this one to clean her eyes. Lastly, I have this QV's moisturizer in case I need it. मुझे कभी लगे कि उसकी skin dry हो रही है, then I use this one. कियारा की skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry है and I think उसको moisturize रखना बहुत ज़रूरी रहता है. So I use this one. This is a travel size and I really like this one. वो बहुत cute लगता है मुझे. Now that Kiara is totally on breast milk and she is not accepting bottles at all, तो मैं अभी उसको बॉटल दे नहीं रही हूँ, तो मैं अपनी मैं अपने डायपर बैग में बॉटल नहीं रखती हूँ and she is not taking formula at all. अभी she is like 4.5 months. I'll try to introduce the formula after 6 months, but अभी के लिए she is completely on my breast milk. So for that, like for the privacy reasons, I have this sheet. Like this is a sheet that you can cover you basically and you can feed her anywhere. So I keep this sheet inside my diaper bags so that I am comfortable feeding her. I don't want to feel uncomfortable around people and make them uncomfortable. वैसे तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बहुत अच्छे पेरेंट्स रूम बने होते हैं and you don't need these kind of sheets, but in case you need it, you have it in your bag. And I think yeah, that's all in my diaper bag. I just quickly pack this one. And that's all that's essential for us to keep in the Kiara's diaper bag. I really enjoy carrying this bag. Like I really like this bag क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा versatile है. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा sheets, like बहुत ज़्यादा compartments हैं. ये मेरे को बहुत useful लगता है and it is easier to use as well. If you think that I am forgetting something, do mention it in the comment section below. और या फिर ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो आपको लगता है मुझे यूज़फुल हो सकती है कियारा के लिए. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it and I hope that it's informational for you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next one.